This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
It was clear from the start that the theme song for this year's Detroit Auto Show should be the Electric Slide. With the governor of Michigan leading the parade, General Motors touted its long-awaited electric vehicle, the Volt. The top brass of GM proudly announced that the battery technology for the Volt and future GM electric cars will be built in job-starved Michigan. Not to be left out of the clean vehicle stampede, Chrysler unveiled a couple of concept electric vehicles, a mid-size 200C sedan, and of course, in Dodge tradition, a high-performance coupe that probably will be a low priority until the company can get back on its feet. Now, Chinese manufacturer BYD claims this 7-passenger crossover can travel 250 miles on one electric charge. The fledgling company is partnering with financial guru Warren Buffett to produce a plug-in hybrid gas-electric car within the next few months. Not to be outdone, Lexus rolled out a new mid-sized hybrid sedan, the HS250, that will run on regular-grade gasoline, a first for the luxury brand. And German automaker BMW is even trying to get into the game with a mild hybrid concept 7 Series sedan. But don't count out the folks who still love traditional engines. Ford is touting EcoBoost technology as a way to fuel efficiency.
Flex comes with an available new Ford EcoBoost engine. It delivers 355 horsepower and 350 foot-pounds of torque, while achieving an estimated 22 miles per gallon on the highway.
At the same time, the company is offering hybrids and the Fusion midsize sedan and promise they too will join the stroll down Electric Avenue in the not-too-distant future. Now for the folks who just want to think about fun while driving, Kia came through with a very achievable concept version of the Soul, an open-topped Soulster. And if you've got $1 million to spare, well, there are always the niche brands like Bugatti, which is pure power on 4 wheels. With a quick look at the Detroit Auto Show, this is Greg Morrison.